Meaning of dissuade.
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 Dissuade. The verb dissuade means to persuade someone not to do something. It involves convincing someone to abandon a particular course of action or decision. The result of dissuading someone can vary depending on the situation. It could lead to a person changing their mind and avoiding a potentially harmful or undesirable situation. For example, a friend may try to dissuade another from smoking by informing them of the negative health effects. Overall, the goal of dissuasion is to encourage someone to make a better decision, ultimately benefiting themselves or others.